Let's make French toast egg puffs. This is a delicious, quick and easy, low carb and gluten-free breakfast. It's amazing for meal prep because they reheat really well throughout the week. So you're gonna add 8 large eggs to a blender, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of coconut flour, a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of granular sweetener, a teaspoon of baking soda, and you're just gonna mix all of that up. You might need to scrape down the sides a little bit halfway through, and then you're gonna finish blending it. Once everything is well combined and smooth, you're gonna divide the mixture evenly among 12 silicone muffin cups. Preheat an oven to 350 degrees, and you're gonna cook them for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes. You want them to be light and fluffy and golden brown on top. Now, just plate them up. I like to serve it with some bacon and sausage. Top it with your favorite syrup, a little bit of powdered sweetener, and I like to hit it with the cinnamon on top as well. Delicious. A quick and easy keto-friendly breakfast that'll please the whole family.